Guys, it's your boy Brian. Today we are going to be battling the ghost leader. So get us. Ooh. I battle all those trainers. Just get out of the way for you guys. I'll turn. It's a poison. The poison type. Okay. Oh, Charmeleon and Ivysaur evolved. Just heads up about that. Oops. Use Thunder. Oh, use self-destruct. So it killed me and see? This Wartortle, it's the only one next. I got a Snorlax. Alright guys, look that it's a homie. Use send out Muck. I was ready for this because it had a moveset using Yawn. And Yawn's OP. Like OP. And dang it. Just needs to get that Yawn. Okay, we're good. Okay. But here's the goal. He gives you a TM of Toxic. And we need that Toxic if we want to catch a Moltres. You know? So, this is the only option, guys, to get not Moltres, Zapdos, my team. We use Thunderbolt. See, it's always gonna be fast asleep until 5 turns, at least 5 turns. We're gonna have to use Headbutt. Oh no. Alright, fine. If it's gonna be like that, I will have to use a Revive. Oh, I call Volt Electabuzz, so he had good stats and stuff, so I was like, he should be on the team. No, we're gonna have to heal Pikachu up. Okay. Dang it, hold on, stay still. Okay, it died. We may send out Electabuzz, because he does have Thunderbolt, man. Okay, Thunderbolt. Come on. See, like, watch. Toxin is guaranteed every time. I'm gonna have to switch into Pikachu. Charizard grew. That's good. I'm gonna have to switch to Pikachu. Okay, let's go. It's like a flying type 2, I think, so Thunder should do the job, I think. I hope. Avoided attack, come on. Oh, it's bug and flying, I think. Alright, I'm gonna have to use Charizard. I wish I had the Mega Evolves, because that'd be OP. Fire Spin. Yeah, knew it. See, it's always gonna burn it. Before it dies, I'm gonna use one more Fire Spin. We could send out Electabuzz and use Thunderbolt and hope for the best. Yeah, I think we should do that. That's our best shot if it doesn't dodge it. Yeah, there we go. Watch, look how much XP we're gonna get. Oh wait, you guys get to see what Zapdos looks like, huh? Oh, what? I have to switch to Venusaur. We have a special moveset. Guys, always have this special moveset. Sleeping Powder, and then when it falls asleep, Leech Seed, so you always heal. And then you can just use those two moves. It is OP, trust me. I'll just show you. Come on. Sleeping Powder. I'm gonna have to use. Okay, now I have to heal. Pikachu. Pikachu's has to be healed. Use Revive, yes. Revive Pikachu. After this, we'll be healing up in the Poke Center. Oh, that's good. That's fine. I'm still gonna take a couple more hits. No. Guys, this is hard working with one hand. Just be fine with it. It's hard work. What? Sorry guys, this really hurts my hand. Thunder. I really hope this does a lot of damage. Oh! No. No, wait, that Toxic's fine. That's fine. We need World Turtle to be Blastoise. Guys, if we get to 10 likes, I will do the next video. Or 3. If we get to 4 likes, I'll post the next video. Okay? There we go. We beat it. That's actually my first attempt, so you guys are a little lucky. Oh. Okay. Alright, yeah. Toxic. Alright, yeah, we needed that. Okay, yeah, all that stuff. We're gonna go heal. Heal. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna put my phone down a little bit. It's getting a little too hot for me. There we go. Oh, wait. Okay. Back. TMs. We will give this to him. We will get rid of rest. No, we need rest. No, we don't need rest. You can say, oh, you need rest and stuff. No, we don't. We're getting freaking Moltres. I'm probably gonna be getting rid of him or him. You guys decide. Oh, guys, I know how you guys seen, like, oh, he posts once a day of this. Yeah, it's because I have school, you know. I'm still a kid. So, yeah, that's why. We got play. Okay. Skydash. We go in here because it's fastest way there. We're gonna begin on Charizard. She's our fastest way there. Man. Come on. Sorry guys, I couldn't move. Oh dang it. Well, this will end fast. Oh no, I need to get up there. No. Sorry about that, guys. That was my fault. Now, guys, I had to catch 15 Pokemon or evolve them as a special, so that was hard work. I spent like, I don't know, 20 minutes. If we get to like 6 likes, I'll post the next video. I want you guys to see this. Sorry, guys. My other hand got tired. There we go. You gotta send the big boy in first. Big Chunkus. The Chunkus. Give me like you. No. I guys really want you guys to see this animation. Zapdos has appeared. We only have 5 minutes. We have to use Toxic right away, man. That's fine. That's fine. See? I do want to get Yawn in there. But, yeah. Oh, no. I still have Venusaur. Using the Expo. I hope this lands. Avoided attack. Dang. We're gonna have to heal and heal and heal. Charizard. Charizard's our only bet now, I hope. Dang it. Okay, Pikachu, we're sending out, no, Voltorb. We're getting close, guys. Voltorb, we can't waste any time. We have to use all the toxin. That better not kill me. Okay, good. This should kill. Yes! Guys, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. I'm gonna put the phone down, guys. I'm sorry you won't be able to see the animation when I catch it, but I have to use two of my hands to catch it. That's how it works with me. Oh, okay. Oh, we caught it? That's the title now. Episode. Yeah. I'm gonna say episode 3. Forget. Want to learn bubble beam? I think I'm gonna get rid of tackle. So, this legendary bird says to know that when it's trying to fly and then turns dark and lightning showing down. Alright guys, that's the episode. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Hold on. If you guys can hit that red, says subscribe, then hit right next to it and turn on notifications so it turns blue after that. And so yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed. It was hard work. We didn't tell you guys that, so be missing that. So episode 3, okay guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Goodbye.